Hey, yo! Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration, y'all. How y'all doing? It's a great granddad's day. That's what I got to say. Man, I'm over here doing some uploading a YouTube video right now. Can this natural juice cure any disease? Doctors say we juicing alkaline electric fruits. Go ahead and check that out when it drops. But anyway, what's already dropped right now? By the time y'all seeing this. But I'm over here. And I'm over here thinking, dog, because I've been thinking about this for like a couple of days. I'm just going in and out, whatever, so I'm supposed to say this. But you know, one of the things that people don't talk about really is that the narcissist, like, try to throw off your vibe. Try to steal your vibe, cuz. Like, well, what is that? Like, how many times like with me, I've been told I got a quote-unquote old soul. I like to do old things. I don't know if people saw it's old. I like to listen to musical soul and then, sorry, I'm songs. I got to see. The word music comes from the word amuse, which is to stare stupidly. But I like to listen to vibrations with with soul in it and whatnot. So just with that being said, I listen to that. I listen to like songs from the 80s, Temptations, James Brown. Sometimes, like, I know a lot of artists, I don't even know their name firsthand. I know the song. Yeah, I know the song, though, like, firsthand. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you know what I'm saying? So, well, it's like, I remember I used to be listening to that, just jamming. And the thing is, I didn't have a, what the frick they call that? I didn't have I didn't have earphones. So when I listened to my songs, I just wanted to listen to it. And this was, and I'd be listening to my songs, and then my biological father used to enter, and he'd be like, "Oh, what's that you listening to? Oh, what's that? Oh, yep, that's James such and such. Yep, that's the But it's like, nigga, I had to learn this on my freaking own. You didn't teach me this. This is me having to research about soulful songs because I like the soulful sound. I had to research that on my own. You didn't teach me a single thing about it. So why the frick are you trying to act like? Why the frick are you trying to act like? I'm doing something. Like you know what I'm talking about. You trying to keep up with and trying to act like he's jamming to something. Like, nigga, you ain't jamming to this bitch. Shut up, nigga. Sitting there trying to fake like they got a connection or whatnot. And this is too when I was doing the gray rock method, nigga. I wasn't talking to his bitch ass. I still wouldn't talk. And he knew I wasn't talking. He's like, oh, what's that you listen? So he'd go over to my iPad, literally go over to walk on my side of the room, my freaking bed, and then go walk up to it, to the iPad folder to see what it was playing. And I'm like, what the frick, nigga? I'm not your friend. I am not your friend. I am not your friend at all. So I'm just like, and it was just like, man, and sitting there trying to act like he's going along. And another thing too, I think I used to be humming songs, whatever. And the narcissist tries to fake happiness. Another thing too, my biological father was a narcissist. What he used to do this thing where he'd be like,